how to move pictures and videos to secure folder in Gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. In here, go to the Pictures tab and then select the photos and videos that you want to transfer. So touch and hold to go into a selection mode. Once you're in here, simply select the videos and pictures that you want to move. Here I only have 3, so I will select all of them. After that, tap on the More button at the bottom. Then tap on Move to Secure Folder. Now, if you do not see the Move to Secure Folder option in the menu, you may need to install the Secure Folder. Now, please watch my video how to set up Secure Folder for instruction on how you can install the Secure Folder. I will provide a link in the description. Okay, so after that, select Move to Secure Folder. And the selected items has now been moved. If you open up the Secure Folder and then open up Gallery, you can see in here we now have pictures and videos in the Secure Folder. It is now secure. You can lock your Secure Folder by tapping on the menu, then tap on Lock and Exit. So that the next time you log back in, you'll need a PIN to re-enter into the Secure Folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.